My brother and I, when we were little children, my grandmother would always take us to church, the Anglican church. And I tell you, I love the Anglican church hymns. Their hymns, the Igbo hymns, oh my God, that hymn is heavenly. And I remember when we were going to church, from afar, we would hear the Anglican organ, something like this. Woo! We would hear it from afar. And we said, Granny, we're getting closer. She said, yeah, we can hear the organ. She would nod. And the closer we get, the organs become louder, of course. And my favorite Anglican hymn, I think, is Aboma 148, if I still remember the number clearly. I love when they do it in church all the time. And to this day, I'm still singing it. That is why you have to train up your child in the way he should go or she should go. So that when they get old, they will not forget. Because that hymn still rings in my head every single day. And it goes like this.